Hello, and thank you for your interest in the Log Mule. The Log Mule is a two-wheeled hand truck for moving cut logs up to 400 pounds over rough terrain without lifting the logs. It is welded aluminum and weighs in at 39 pounds and rolls through a standard 36-inch gate using flat-free tires. It's perfect for moving small logs, split wood, large logs, and really large logs. It's great for moving logs up into a trailer or up onto a log splitter. Anyone who cuts wood and cares about their back muscles could use a Log Mule. In this video, we will be teaching you some of the techniques for using the Log Mule, such as the reach-through method and the load strap method. The first technique I would like to show you is intended for transporting smaller logs. This is called the reach-through method. For this method, you will not need the load strap, so you can fold it up and store it in the Log Mule. To load the log, simply position the Log Mule up against the log, hold onto the Log Mule handle with one hand, place your foot on the frame, reach through the Log Mule, and roll the log up onto the Log Mule with your other hand. Transporting logs around with the Log Mule is easy. The large tires spread out the load, give you lots of ground clearance, and provide for easy rolling even on rough terrain. The next technique I would like to show you is used for transporting larger logs. This is called the load strap method. To load a large log, simply position the Log Mule near the log and spread the load strap out on the ground in front of the log. Roll the log over the load strap and position it up against the Log Mule. You do not need to roll the log up into the Log Mule, just up against it. Grab the load strap and throw it over the top of the log. Walk around to the back of the Log Mule and pull the load strap tight, and then rotate the Log Mule up while you roll the log up onto the Log Mule with the load strap. Unloading larger logs should also be done with the load strap to keep the log in control. To unload, hold onto the Log Mule handle with one hand, place your foot on the frame. You can then slowly roll the log off of the Log Mule using the load strap to maintain control. The load strap is also useful for loading and unloading split wood. The Log Mule can also be used to assist in lifting logs up onto a horizontal log splitter. This technique requires two people. Simply position the Log Mule with the log near the log splitter. Throw the load strap out in front of the Log Mule to get it out of the way. Roll the Log Mule up against the log splitter and then slowly rotate the Log Mule up so that your helper can roll the log off of the Log Mule and onto the log splitter. Be careful not to let the Log Mule slip off of the log splitter while you are rotating it up or down. One of the benefits of moving logs around with a Log Mule is its ability to easily roll up a ramp into a trailer. Check out this log. It's 30 inches in diameter and weighs 383 pounds. With a Log Mule, this is a one-man job. The Log Mule is intended for outdoor use to transport cut logs, which is an inherently dangerous activity. Failure to comply with all these warnings may result in loss of load, damage to the Log Mule, or personal injury and/or property damage. The Log Mule should only be used to transport solid or split logs. Please do not exceed the 400-pound rated capacity. Avoid operating the Log Mule sideways on hills with a load. The load may shift or tip over. The Log Mule is not intended to be pulled behind a vehicle of any kind. Steel-toed shoes, long pants, and gloves are recommended when using the Log Mule. The operator should keep all other people clear from the Log Mule while lifting, lowering, or transporting the logs. Lastly, you should verify that all the bolts are tight before each use. Again, thank you for your interest in the Log Mule, and if you have any questions or comments, please call our customer service department at 865-408-0100 or visit our website at www.log-mule.com.